Hello, today I'll show you top 15 things to do in Treviso, Italy. So let's start with the number 1. Watch the locals at the Pescheria. Number 2. Walk around the ancient city walls and gates. Number 3. Treviso Cathedral. Number 4. Museo Ballo. Number 5. Chiesa di San Nicolo. Number 6. Museo Diocesano. Number 7. Piazza dei Sigori. Number 8. Enjoy a coffee at the Sigori and Sigori Cafe. Number 9. Walk around the beautiful canals. Number 10. Enjoy fine dining at the Carbone Restaurant. Number 11. Chiesa di San Francesco. Number 12. Piazza San Vito. Number 13. Take a trip to Venice. Number 14. Enjoy a beer at the Helmut Bar. And the last one, number 15. Take a trip to Padua.